Our enterprise is a part of the holding company for the production of pharmaceuticals in the Krasnodar region. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets in plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started to replace morally and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief technologist for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment myself, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. For the products to be of high quality and fully compliant with hygiene requirements, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. We also decided to renew the disintegrating machine. Boiler, which was malfunctioning, did not provide a continuous layer of outer protective coating of tablets produced in the production area of the tablets. Draining machine is a type of pharmaceutical processing equipment that is used to form multi-layer dragees, as well as to apply a decorative and protective coating on the surface of tablets. The material from which the equipment is made must be durable and wear resistant. The machine must provide spraying for production scale, not less than 40 kilograms per load. I am used to doing my work with quality and to work only with specialists. I approached the issue of choosing a pellet boiler seriously. To search for equipment, I did not use the internet, because often behind a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. There were a lot of dredging boilers at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, from different countries of the world. I chose 3 that best matched my needs, and contacted their representatives. It was necessary to coordinate the boiler with the management, and then sign a contract for supply. Back at the company, I started contacting representatives of equipment manufacturers by phone. A company from Germany agreed to supply the dredging boiler, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the European Union, as I did not have a visa, and the visa process would have taken at least 3 months. One company from China sent me a catalog of products in the mail. I chose for a long time, but I could not figure out for which pellets the boiler is suitable, what the allowable load volume. A third manufacturer from Krasnodar listened to me and replied that he could make the equipment only 6 months, citing the large volume of orders. I had to refuse, as I needed the machine in the shortest possible time. A machine had to be found, and I realized that I would not be able to do it on my own. This made me a little less confident. However, the manager of the company in Krasnodar helped me out here. He suggested a specialist in pharmaceutical equipment supply, who could find another option of equipment. Following his advice, I turned to a specialist intermediary company from Moscow. At that time, I had no idea that I was doing the right thing. The manager of the company listened to me, asked a few more questions about the required capacity, the material for spraying. I was pleased with his professional and business-like approach. After preliminary consultation, he suggested a boiler for applying film coating, which is ideally suited for my given parameters. The specialist of this company sent me a video of the machine, which clearly shows the equipment itself and its characteristics. A modern model of the pelletizing boiler for applying film coating on the surface of tablets and dragees. The machine is equipped with computer control panel, temperature control system, and touch screen. I approved the proposed pelletizing boiler, and a week later we signed a contract for its delivery. 1 month after the contract was signed, we received the equipment. Stable and compact unit, works perfectly. Quality coating of pills. The main body is made of stainless steel, equipped with explosion-proof motor and frequency converter, cleaning device, computer control system, program control function, and touchscreen display device. The injection of the coating substance into the tablets is carried out through a constructed spraying system. I was satisfied with the suggested version of the boiler for spraying decorative films on tablets. Initially, I was skeptical about the choice of manager, relying on my own experience, but I realized that one must always learn and not be afraid to trust a professional.